Can AI be spiritual? There has been a lot of talk lately about AI and how it's going to replace jobs, rewrite the truth, or even make human connection obsolete. I get it. As a healer, I hear the concern that AI might take over the very things that make us us. But what if the real danger isn't that AI will replace humanity, but that we'll willingly step aside? What I've seen over and over again is not AI becoming too powerful, but humans giving up their power in the process and asking the machine to do all the thinking, letting it tell us what we feel, skipping over the deep inner listening because the algorithm spits something out faster. People are freely giving away their power. We can rely too much on machines for thinking, letting them dictate our feelings and skipping that important inner dialogue just because it's quicker to get an answer that way. That's not how we should partner with technology. It feels more like avoidance to me. This becomes especially important in spiritual spaces where being present is crucial. While you can incorporate AI into your work, you shouldn't see it as a replacement for your intuition or a source of wisdom. It reflects your words and the words of others, culled from millions of websites. What you put both there should be your voice, your knowing, your soul path. AI isn't the source of wisdom. You are. We don't need to fear that it's taking anything away from us. The bigger risk is forgetting that we're already whole, even without it. When we stay grounded in ourselves and use AI with intention and care, it doesn't take away our humanity.